Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about water softeners. Hard water is rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. Some areas have hard water and others don't. It can even vary from water system to water system, especially if you have well water. Water is often hardest in areas with a lot of sedimentary rock-like limestone. Hard water becomes a problem because the minerals build up in the form of scale inside your pipes and appliances. As scale accumulates in your water heater tank, it takes more energy to bring it to the desired temperature. The scale can corrode the inside of the tank, eventually leading to jam valves and leaks. Hard water also makes your dishwasher and washing machine function less efficiently, leaving soap scum on your dishes and clothing. The solution is to install a water softener, which uses sodium to soften the water. Water softeners make the water feel better on your skin and help soap lather up better. Plus, saves your appliances from the buildup of scale. If you need a water softener repaired or installed, we're your contractor. We know all about water